Are you a control freak too? Here's why it's not your fault and what actually helps. Hi, I'm Deborah, a quantum healer and a hypnotist, and I've helped thousands of high-achieving women with this, and I'm going to share a quick breathing technique to shift you out of it so you can feel calm and confident without having to push so hard. And there's a bonus. It also helps connect you to your intuition. It's from step number 1 of my Soul Power Breakthrough program. And if you're one of my clients, this is a good refresher, gentle reminder to use it. I'll explain the science behind how it works, and I'll also share a few other things you can do instead when that control tries to take over. And it doesn't take a lot of time or effort. Sound good? I don't know about you, but when life feels overwhelming, that's when my inner control freak shows up. It might be rewriting my to-do list instead of actually tackling it, or vacuuming like it's an Olympic sport. It doesn't solve anything, but it does scratch the itch. You know what I'm talking about. We all have our version of this, right? Maybe you redo a coworker's project because it's faster if I do it myself, or you reload the dishwasher because no one else can do it right, or you remind your partner for the 3rd time to grab that thing at the store you already texted them about. That urge to control is just your brain trying to keep you safe, and the irony is it's also what's keeping you stuck. It drains your energy, it blocks that best part of you that already knows what to do. You know that split second when everything clicks and suddenly you see things differently? Last week, I was racing to finish something. My shoulders were up to my ears, my jaw was clenched, I was forgetting to breathe, and my inner control freak swore that if we just pushed through, it would get me over that hump. And instead, the more I tried to force it, the less I got done. And finally, I remembered what actually works: stepping away. I did a few minutes of this powerful and easy heart breathing technique. We're going to do it together in a second. And I came back feeling calmer, clearer, more focused. This active resetting is what flips the switch out of pressure and feeling tense so that things feel easier and finally get done. Okay, so let's try it together. I want you to go ahead and close your eyes if that feels safe. Place your hand gently over the center of your chest where your heart is and begin to focus there, feeling your hand resting on your chest, bringing your awareness into this area, this powerful place in the body, and start to breathe slowly and naturally. Imagine that you can breathe from your heart, dropping your breath to your heart, breathing from the heart, which is an interesting thing to think about, isn't it? Just imagine your breath moving in through the heart and out through the heart, keeping your focus here, as if your heart itself is breathing. And as you continue to breathe in this way, I want you to imagine someone or something that fills you with a good feeling, and it's not complicated. So maybe it's a person that you love, or a pet, a place you've been to, one that you're imagining now where you feel peaceful. And I want you to breathe that person, pet, or place into the heart, allowing it to expand the heart, and exhale, sending all that love to that person, that pet, that place, back to them. Breathing that love into the heart, bringing good vibes to your space, sending it out into the room, breathing that love for the person, pet, or place into your heart, allowing it to expand the heart, fill the heart, and on the exhale, sending all your love back to that person, pet, or place, continuing to breathe in this way, breathing that love into the heart, sending it back, filling the room, and again, breathing that love into the heart, sending it back, filling the room. With each breath, allowing that good feeling to expand the heart a little more through the body. You could add a healing color if you like. Imagine breathing that healing color into the heart, soothing, comforting the heart. Exhale, sharing that healing color with the person, pet, or place, filling the room with that color. And again, breathing that color into the heart, soothing, comforting the heart. Exhale, sharing that healing color with the person, pet, place, filling the room with that color. And again, breathing that color into the heart, soothing and comforting the heart. Exhale, sharing that healing color with the person, pet, place, filling the room with that color. And while you continue to breathe in this way, noticing the shift that's happening while you do this, noticing what's happening, and how does this work? What's the neuroscience behind it? The heart is the biggest emitter of electromagnetic energy in the body. It's 100,000 times more powerful than the brain. And when you do this heart breathing technique, your heart, your brain synchronize and get into balance. And then together they help synchronize and bring balance to every system in the body, relaxing your nervous system, your digestive system, your circulatory system. You get the idea. And within just minutes, your heart rhythms shift. They send powerful signals back to the brain to calm stress, to improve how you feel. So it only takes a short time to create positive changes in your heart rhythms, breathing in and out from the heart, knowing this is another way to spread healing energy throughout your body. Now, as you keep breathing through the heart, holding this positive feeling, we'll try adding one more layer, imagining what it would be like to completely trust this good feeling. Yes, that's an interesting thing to think about, isn't it? Just for now, letting yourself trust in that essential goodness of life, in the beauty and grace that's here. You don't need to figure out exactly what you're trusting. Just allow yourself to rest in the trust as you breathe, staying with it, feeling nurtured, feeling supported, letting your body and your mind bathe in this sense of ease. And if you'd like, you can even bring a question to your heart, something you've been wondering about. Just notice what gentle wisdom or feeling comes back as you breathe. With practice, this becomes easier, a way to connect to what I call your inner wisdom mindset, your own intuition, an easy way to tune into yourself, to ask what you need. So just taking a few more breaths like this, breathing to and from the heart, feeling more balanced, more open, more connected to yourself. That's right, so slowly coming back, opening your eyes if you haven't already, noticing what you notice. That's right. Good, so this is one you can save to watch later when you need it. And there's a few more quick resets that you can try the next time control freak mode shows up. It doesn't have to be a technique. You can head out for a quick walk. You can listen to your favorite song, bonus points if you turn it into a dance party. Or try the 11-minute hypnosis stress relief reset that I give every client to clear their head, to release that stress so you can move forward feeling calmer. You'll find it below. Now it's your turn. This week, notice when you slip into control mode and choose one reset, something new, something maybe you already know works, either one, to get yourself back into the flow, and share in the comments what works for you, because it might be just the thing that helps someone else.